Kathei Thep goal bakan sai tam jogari ka Sanfida Nongrum mentakasngi kala Kynduh Markhmat ya Menteri Rangba Khubor Conrad ke Samla hakam ratre kam jongu ha sekretariat ka Sanfida kadi kathei lekai ka balayo ban Thep ya goal ban ningkong joka India Hadien arpulai senam ha kalumpung AFC Asian Cup ka balong dangshan ho Australia Menteri Rangba ulapan pau ke jingkemen baka Sanfida kalayo ban ra ya ka buram ke jella ban long kan dong ya lekai ban ningkong ban Markhmat ya ka jella nakari Menteri Rangba ula pendut poru banyak keren berkani ke Samla badang ke jam ke jela ke balong ke jing sarong ya karihi baro kawe.
Congratulations. Ready? Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Come. So I can offer you some tea, coffee? Yes. You want it? What about your support? I could give that time I announced, but I just wanted to know if there's anything more we can do to support you further, to help you, and because we would like to see that sports persons like you should become inspiration for others. So it's not about you alone, it's about what message you will give to the youngsters about hard work, discipline. So I would like to see that. So if there's anything you want to say, you want to mention to me, then you can always take this opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the cash award you gave me also.
Okay, you deserve it. You deserve much more.
Yes. And I feel honored to support me also. Support me. Thank you so much.
I was thinking will also, because you see what I'm starting is, I'm starting one small program where I want to tell the different cement companies, that they bring all these big stars and they put all their big photos and all that, and they give the money to them. So I've told all of the companies now that I want you to pick up, our local boys and girls now, and not a big amount, but whatever small amount you can give to each one of them, and then they'll use your photo, of course, for their advertisement and all. So I'm starting that program also. So I'm calling all of them. I've given some names already, so I'll be giving your name also to them that they should give you. Then they call you and then they'll think. So just take note of that. Shillong? Yes, sir. Yeah. So we'll do whatever we can do for the support you.
Thank you, sir.
And just want to ask, how was the feeling when you scored the goal? Was it great?
So feeling happy.
Yeah, we all are feeling very happy. Great. So congratulations. Thank you once again. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Kakateng jangan di Sanfida Nongrum masa amopat de kum ka experience pangalekai bat national team kalang ka ma ban dan ringkat lambat ki seniors ban kumno ban ya keren bat ki kalong hakan de ningkok nge tengah traji suba dan ringkat lambat nga adukan ni ka thongbo dan ringkat banga message what give up in your dream ka ibafi dream long what do you give up work hard bit thumu ya kawi ka goal bafi dan te long tray bi ya ka ka tu bafi dan de ka lom ka goal jonga di football nga kwa be ban focus tang ka we ka goal untai tray stem anta purpose to be happy atai banga Thep tu ka goal ngas akaman ba akaman long ba kalong ka feelings yang kalong ka pera te lang kada nang ang ka kaman ru kata ka ju hi lang sosi ru bangim job ma tu kasi te atay achievements sa yarap yang long ngampui perkat mah và bandan jing yarap hadu kat ni thì ngak kemen hi tamalong ka ngampui perkat bagi buan dong supporter yang aruk mah nang kam anong long ngadan morway sa tairu makanaru ngai iki nong support seni pak kilong ki support bhade tengah kemen ba nang tai CM ru ngalong ngai play ba I layarap yang hadu kat ni nang tai yang support yang tai